How to back up WhatsApp messages. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can back up WhatsApp messages. But before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's dive right in. First step is you'll need to open up your WhatsApp. Make sure that your WhatsApp is up to date to its latest version. Open up your WhatsApp, and after you're there, make sure you're logged in into your account. Then head over to the settings option at the bottom right. After you're on settings, you should find different options. Scroll down a bit and you should find chats option. Tap on chats, and after you've tapped on chats, you should find an option that says chat backup. So it's right here. Tap on chat backup, and after you do that, you should find the backup now option. You can tap on backup now to back up your WhatsApp, and if you want to auto backup, you'll also find auto backup option. Tap on auto backup and select how frequently you want your backup to be held. After you do that, your backup should begin, and yeah, that's basically how you back up your WhatsApp messages. And that's it for today's video as well. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos, and if you found the video helpful, press on the like button and stay tuned for more.